Hi crafters, it's your girl again with another video. Today's video is going to be about shipping on Etsy and shipping in general. So for those of you that don't really know what Etsy is a marketplace where buyers and sellers come to transact business. So it's basically for crafters. So if you have anything that you do with your hand, like you make t-shirts, you make whatever you make soap, you make candles, you make whatever, tutus, whatever you make. But I'm just gonna talk more on shipping on Etsy and how it works and how it can help you with your sales. So let's get into it. So on Etsy you have options of calculated shipping or fixed shipping and free shipping as well. So calculated shipping is when you allow Etsy, the system, calculate what it's gonna cost for shipping. And you have also fixed shipping where you yourself can charge certain amounts for shipping, and also you have an option to charge additional fees for any additional item added to their cart. And also you have an option for free shipping as well. So I'm going to talk about the benefits of each of them. So, and what can help you drive sales in your business. So for the calculated shipping, there's pros and cons on that. So for calculated shipping, that with the advantage of it is that you can have the system calculate the shipping so that you don't go short on shipping. So the system is going to calculate the shipping for you, but on your own part you will have to put the ounce, what the item weighs on Etsy, so that Etsy can calculate the shipping for you. And for and with that is a great option, because that way you're not short on shipping and the customer basically pay for their shipping. So that's one good thing I love about the calculated shipping. You want to make sure you weigh your item to make sure that it is weighing what it's supposed to be, so that Etsy can calculate the shipping for you and the customer gets to pay whatever it is. So in my opinion, that's a great idea. And like I said, there's pros and cons on each of them. And for the fixed rate or fixed for the fixed rate, you get to put whatever amount you want. So with the fixed rate, you can put whatever amount you want. If you want your shipping to be more than the calculated, you have an option to do that, and you also have an option to add whatever additional amounts for additional item. If they buy more than one item, you have that option to add additional, and that is not gonna going to be shown on the customer's invoice. It's just gonna come as one bill bulk as shipping cost. Even with the calculated shipping as well, it's gonna come as one bill bulk, one shipping rate, that the customer will not know that you charge something additional. So, and with the calculated shipping, not calculated shipping, I'm sorry, but a fixed rate, there's advantage and disadvantage of that. The advantage is if you put it higher, of course you know that if you make it higher than what it's gonna cost them, of course you know you're getting profit off of the shipping. And if you make it lower, then that's a disadvantage on yourself, because you have to pay the cost of that, like whatever difference it is, you will have to pay that. So the third option is free shipping. So Etsy actually give you an option to give customers free shipping, because that can help boost your store. That can help customers to be interested in your store, to want to buy, because a lot of people love free shipping. So Etsy have this thing that if you buy $35 or more, you get free shipping. So with that will kind of boost people to want to buy item that is up to $35. So if you on your store, if you have small items, small amount items, I don't know if I'm making any sense. If you sell small based item, like small cost items, then that $35 and more is a great option because people will be able to buy more in order for you to make more sales. I don't know if I'm making any sense. So basically, if your items on your store is like $5 less than 10, like $10 less than $35 for a product, then people will have the tendency of want to add more products, and that's gonna boost your sales. And because people like free shipping, so if they're buying something that is $20, they'll want to add one more stuff to make it $40 or $35, something, whatever they add, they will just want to get to that $35 so they can get free shipping, because sometimes the shipping may be $15 as well, or $10, and they end up buying item that is like $20, and when you add the shipping to it is $35. So people just look at it like, well, I might just well get this get another stuff, and they keep on adding, and you end up getting more sales. So in my opinion, that is a great option to get people to buy more stuff from you. And you can also, you don't have to make it $35. You can make it whatever amount you want. But for me, I sell tutus, and my items on my store is like it costs more, so I just give them free shipping flat. So that's an option for you. Just give free shipping flat. But guess what I do? I go behind the scene and I add shipping, the cost of shipping in each of the products. So for me, I sell tutus. It costs me $15 to ship it out. So I'm not, at first I was selling my item for $75 for tutu sets, and I do free shipping, and I realized I wasn't making a lot of profit, because Etsy charge a lot of fees on each of the products. So I had to figure things out, and I had to add shipping to my cost. If you guys want me to do a video on pricing, how to price your item, let me know. I'm gonna help you guys, because that is a big deal. If you don't know how to price your item, you are gonna be short, and you don't want to be short on your item, because you want to make profit, because that's the aim of every business seller. You want to make profit on any item you are selling. So if you guys want me to make a video on pricing, let me know. I got you. Offering free shipping is really a great option, because you will be able to reach more customers, and Etsy will kind of push your store, like they'll kind of push your stores for people to be able to find you easily when you give free shipping. Because I'm speaking by experience. I have tried a lot of things, and this that I'm telling you is working for me. And if you're scared of if you don't want to give free shipping because you're scared that you're not gonna make a lot of money, add that money to the cost of the item and give them free shipping. Just try that, and you're gonna see a difference. So I know you guys are wondering if to go for, because this free shipping, there are two ways to get free shipping. So is either give flat out free shipping, and you just add your costs in it, you just add the cost of shipping in the product. And another option is to ask them to, I'll have to, if you guys want me to show you how to create that on your Etsy store, I can show you guys on your Etsy store how to create that. So the other option of creating, having them buy, like, let's say $50 and get free shipping, that's a great option. And also you can definitely add that cost in the cost of shipping in the product, and they will not even know they're gonna pay for it. That's actually the best option to make more sales, because people will want to buy more stuff in your store in order for them to get that free shipping. So in my opinion, that is a great option. But if you have a store that sells your items, they are very expensive, then I'll say just go for the free shipping flat out, because at the end of the day, you already have the cost of the shipping in the product. So with this here, you guys let me know which of them you prefer to go for: the fixed, the calculated, the free shipping. And remember, the free shipping is split into two. If you buy $35, you get free shipping or free shipping flat out, which of them you prefer. In my opinion, what I prefer, I if I did not have like an item that is very expensive anyways, because my item in my store, I sell tutu set for $90, and when you take out shipping, $15, it's $75. So basically it costs them $75. So if I tell them to buy $100 and purchase something worth of $100, they get free shipping. I don't know how that's gonna work because it's already expensive. So it's like my store is just like a whole set. Like you buy a whole set, like you buy two sets. So you don't, I don't think they'll want to buy another two set just to get free shipping. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? So that's the reason why I went to on that other route of giving them free shipping flat out. But if you have like a t-shirt store, that would be a great idea for you to get them to buy more t-shirts. When you tell them buy maybe $40 worth and you get free shipping. So I have two Etsy store. I am gonna try that on my Etsy store. On that Etsy store, actually on that Etsy store, I gave them free shipping flat out, but I'm gonna switch it to see if that's gonna boost my sale. So guys, let me know which of them you prefer. And you guys already know, I already told you guys what I prefer. But if you guys don't want to give free shipping on your store, if you think it's gonna be too expensive on the customer, you think that your customer is not gonna be able to pay for that, then I think the calculated shipping would be better off, because you don't want to go for the fixed, because you don't want to have to pay for the shipping yourself if it's not up to the amount. But another thing is, every one of them have advantage and disadvantages, because with the fixed, if it's less, you get profit out of the shipping. But if it's more, if the shipping is more, then you are the one losing in sales on shipping. So you end up digging into your profit margin, and we don't want to do that. So I think, in my opinion, in a nutshell, what I prefer is the free shipping. Free shipping can definitely boost your store. I am speaking by experience. It can boost your store. You can get a lot of sales because people just love free shipping. Let me know if you love free shipping. If you love free shipping, then other people definitely love free shipping. So basically, look at it in our day-to-day life, how we operate, like when we want to buy something, how we react to stuff. And if you go to a store and you realize that an online store, you realize that you get free shipping, how you react to it. For the most part, a lot of people love the free shipping. They will get to the amount that will give them free shipping in the store. Like when there are a lot of sites that I usually buy stuff from, and they will be like $75 qualifies you for free shipping. And guess what? Your girl is like looking to look for more stuff so I can get to $75, so I don't have to pay for shipping. So that's just logic. People love free shipping. When the word free, people go for it. So in my opinion, the free shipping option is the best. So go behind the scene and add the cost of shipping, and you're not gonna feel it. And at the end of the day, you get more sales. So, but guys, anyways, guys, that is just my opinion. Do whatever you think will work for you in your store, but that's just what has worked for me, and I'm sharing with you guys so that it can help you with your sales if you're struggling with sales. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what option you prefer, what option you're going to be using, or what option you have used that is working for you. And if you haven't used any of if you haven't used the free shipping option and you're going to try it, let me know and give us a result so we can know it's working for you. For me, it's working for me. I can show you numbers. It is 100% working for me. So it has really helped my sales, and my sales has been skyrocketing. Guys, I'm not kidding. I have over 10 open orders right now as I'm speaking. I have a lot of orders I am trying to process, and right now my business is at the point where I think I need someone to help me out, because with the production of tutu, it takes a minute to get it produced, so to get it sewn. So right now I am looking for like a wholesaler, somebody that can really make tutu, that can make it to my satisfaction, so that I can sell. So as you can see behind me, I have the adult tutu. I am trying to figure out the best routes to go with the adult tutu, but the kids tutu, I got that one locked down. So the person I'm looking for is someone that can sew, like that, someone that can make the kids tutu, someone that can really do it to my satisfaction. Even if I have to train the person to do it, I want to train the person, and the person who's going to be like a wholesaler for me, so I can be buying from the person. So that's the point where my business has gotten to. With all these things I'm telling you that I have done a lot of things that wasn't working, and when I change things up, my store kind of every day, like let's say every day I get some sales, and I'm not kidding. And I'm like, if I can get sales every day, I am fine. I should be fine. So I am gonna be sharing my numbers with you guys on a monthly basis, what I make on a monthly basis from Etsy, like all my statistics. I'm gonna be sharing that with you guys so that you guys can see how things are going for me, and I can help you guys grow while I'm growing. I am not that big Etsy store, so you guys know I am just like you, but with the way my store is little and it's growing, you can definitely I can definitely relate to you, and you can definitely relate to me, and we can both grow our business together. So that's the reason why I decided I'm going to be making this kind of videos to help you guys with sales, because I was in your shoes. I wasn't getting no sales. I wasn't happy, of course, but now I am getting sales. I'm so excited. I'm the happiest businesswoman ever that you can ever see. Like, I am so excited. Like, I am making this money from my handwork. Yes, I am, and I'm excited about it, and I'm willing, and I am ready to help you guys so we can all grow. Not just me, but we can all grow. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for hanging with me. I hope you understand all the shipping options you have, and I hope you pick an option that is going to help you boost your sale, because it's all about making sale and making profits and getting large profit margins. So, but anyways, guys, if you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up so that I can know you like content like this, so I can keep on pushing items that is going to help you with your sales. And share this video with somebody that you think will need this information, and do not forget to subscribe to your girl, because I am going to be pushing out videos that's going to help you with your sales and grow your business. I have been doing a lot of crafting videos to help you guys know how to do this, how to do that, but now it's all about sales, because I was struggling, and I'm like, I am putting a lot of effort in all of this craft, and I'm not getting no sales, and I kind of figured it out, and that's the reason why I am so excited to be sharing that information with you guys. Go ahead and subscribe to your girl. So I do post videos on a weekly basis, so you don't want to miss on that. It's gonna help you for real. So hit on the notification bell so you know each time I post a video, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.